Hello Odoo users and welcome to our channel. In this tutorial we will see about Odoo WooCommerce Connector and the process to update the order status with tracking details from Odoo to WooCommerce. So let's get started. So here are our orders which are into our Odoo WooCommerce instance currently. So the prerequisite for this is the order should be in the done state. That is, so let's open one of the order and show you. So this is one of the order and the delivery order of such order which is into the done state, that is this one. It should not be in a draft, ready or waiting state. And other thing is this order is should be related to your WooCommerce account as well. So this is the order that is imported, I guess, from the WooCommerce. So we can do the process further. And once the tracking details are exported, here the box will be check mark and the order tracking order will be synced from here. So first of all we will see how it is done manually. So you say if you want to export one particular order and I want to now export this particular delivery order, let's do the process. Here the tracking reference should be there, that is a mandatory, but in one of these order tracking reference is not there suppose. So let's try exporting without it. So whenever you try to export without the tracking reference that is presented over here, you will see here that no tracking number will be found in the picking, so we cannot export it. Now let's add one of the tracking references manually. I have added one and now I will export the status, save and export it. Once it is exported, we will get here the tab for successfully order status exported to WooCommerce, and also it will be synced like this as you can see it. Now we will check the source document with 363. Now let's go over here, refresh the page. So 363 will be seen over here, which is this one, and it is in the complete state right now as you can see it over here, and the status is completed and the tracking reference will be exported over here. Now we will see this process with the scheduler action as well. So say suppose these are some of the orders which we will see. Now these are the few orders which are here in, we'll see with delivery order whose are into the, here is a delivery order for 135. We'll add the references. So order number 135, then we'll go back and check one more order, that is 137 I guess. 135, 137, let's save it. Then one more order so we can check the process properly. This is done. This one I guess, and yeah, 110. So there are 137, 135 and 110. These are three of the orders which we will see in scheduler action. So say suppose we are running now the scheduler action for exporting the orders. We will open the scheduler action, that is export the order at tracking status. This is a scheduler action which will be executing every 3 hours in your Odoo backend and it will be done automatically. Currently we are running it manually to show you the process further. So now let's click over here and run it manually. Uh, Once it is done, we will see that the orders will be exported. The tracking details of the orders will be exported. Now we will check the orders. So here are both the orders 135. Here you can see tracking reference is synced now and it is synced now. Now that is 137 which we saw before, and the same process it is now synced. Now there is one more order that we did, that was 110 I guess. Yes, this one, and also this one is synced, and all of these three orders will be updated over here as well. So before syncing, it is one of them is on hold, one of them is under pending payment, and one of them is under processing. Now let's refresh it. When we refresh it, as you can see, it is now complete state. Now it is completed, completed and completed. So this is how your tracking details will be exported from Odoo to WooCommerce, and it will be updated like this as a complete state. And this is how the process is done in both the ways, by running the scheduler action and by running it manually for one particular order. So we have seen both the processes. Feel free to let us know if you face any issues while you configure it or do it for your store. Our team will be there to help you out. Also, you can write back to us at sales@vraja technologies.com. Thank you.